I hope you all are doing well. So children, today in this class we are going to learn about triangle and its properties. So let's start with that. In our previous class, we have already learnt about triangles and the types of triangles on the basis of sides and also on the basis of angles. In this chapter, we will review those results and study some more properties of a triangle. Okay, so first one is triangle. A triangle is a three-sided closed figure formed by three line segments. It has three vertices, three sides and three angles. In figure ABC has three vertices namely A, B, C like that. Sides है हमारी three sides namely AB, BC and CA like that. And angles हमारे कौन कौन से फॉर्म हो रहे हैं? These angles namely angle BAC, angle BCA और angle ABC. So this is triangle. Now perimeter of a triangle. So let's see. The sum of the length of the three sides of a triangle is called its perimeter. So therefore perimeter क्या बन गया? S means side is equal to A plus B plus C. The sum of all three sides is called perimeter beta. Okay. So now interior and exterior of a triangle. So triangle की interior और exteriors क्या होते हैं? Let's see. So look at triangles ABC. Point A, B, C and F lie on the triangle like that. Okay. Point D lies inside the triangle. ये जो हमारा D है ये कहाँ है हमारे अंदर inside हो रहा है. And point E lies outside the triangles. और E हमारा कहाँ पर lie हो रहा है? बाहर आ रहा है हमारे. So here the triangles divides the plane into three parts. First one is interior. So the part of the plane containing all such points means D, which is enclosed by angles A, B, C, is called interior of triangles ABC. Okay. Exterior क्या होता है? The part of the plane containing all such points means E, which is not enclosed by triangle ABC, is called the exterior of the triangle ABC. तो जो हमारे ट्रायंगल्स के बाहर अगर लाई हो रहा है तो वो उसका एक्सटीरियर है. जो ट्रायंगल्स के हमारे अंदर लाई आता है तो वो हमारा उसका इंटीरियर होता है. नाउ बाउंड्री. पॉइंट्स लाइंग ऑन द ट्रायंगल्स फ्रॉम द बाउंड्री ऑफ द ट्रायंगल्स, वो हमारा कहलाता है बाउंड्री. नाउ ट्रायंगुलर रीजन्स. सो ट्रायंगुलर रीजन मीन्स द इंटीरियर ऑफ अ ट्रायंगल ABC टुगेदर with its boundary is called the triangular regions of triangles ABC. I hope you understood interior, exterior, boundary and triangular regions. Now classifications of triangles. So let's see. On the basis of sides, there are three types of triangles. So first one is equilateral triangle. So a triangle in which all sides are equal to one another is called an equilateral triangle. In the given figures, DE is equal to EF or EF is equal to DF. So that means triangle DEF is an equilateral triangle. इसकी ये side और ये side और ये side हमारी तीनों sides क्या होती हैं? Equal होती है. Now next. Second one is isosceles triangle. So a triangle in which two sides are equal is called an isosceles triangle. In the given figures A, PQ and PR ये हमारी क्या है? Equal है, like this way. So this is called isosceles triangle. Now scalene triangle. अब ये scalene triangle क्या होता है? Let's see. A triangle in which no sides are equal is called a scalene triangle. So in the given diagram, AB is not equal to BC and BC is not equal to AC. That is why it's a scalene triangles. ये तीनों sides हमारी totally एक दूसरे के साथ match नहीं करती है. These are different. Now on the basis of angles, there are three types of triangles. First one is acute angle triangle. So let's see that. What is that? A triangle in which all angles are acute, that means less than 90, is called an acute angle triangle. So this is the diagram of that one. Okay. in this given figure, all the angles means angle A, B and C are less than 90. ये 90 डिग्री से छोटे एंगल्स बन रहे हैं. So that is why it's the acute angle triangle. Hope you understood. Now next, right angle triangle. So a triangle in which one angle is right angle means 90 degree is called a right angle triangle. Like that way बेटा, इसमें क्या है, ये हमारा 90 डिग्री का बन रहा है. In the given figures, angle DEF, triangle DEF is a right angle at E, and angle D and angle F are acute angles. The side DF opposite to the right angle is called the hypotenuse. It's the longest sides, like that way बेटा. ये इसके opposite है तो ये hypotenuse है और ये सबसे long side हमारी होती है. A right angle triangle is called a right triangle. I hope you understood right angle triangle. Now next, obtuse angle triangles. A triangle in which one angle is obtuse, that means greater than 90, जो 90 से बड़ा होता है वो हमारा obtuse कहलाता है, is called an obtuse angle triangles or an obtuse triangles. In the given figure, इस figure में PQR has Q as obtuse angle, angle P and angle R as acute angles, so it is an obtuse angle triangle. Hope you understood well. Now note, each angle is an equilateral triangle is equal to 60 degree. Okay, the angles opposite to equal sides of an isosceles triangles are equal. In a scalene triangles, no two angles are equal beta. Hope you understood. Just remind that things. Now medians of a triangles. अब ये क्या होता है? Let's see. The line segments joining the midpoints of the side of a triangles to the opposite vertices are called medians of the triangles. So let D, E and F are midpoints of sides BC, AC and AB respectively of angles ABC. Then the line segment AD, BE and CF are the medians of ABC. Like that way beta. Okay, in this way में. Now altitudes of triangles. अब ये क्या होते हैं? Let's see. The perpendiculars means line segment drawn from a vertex of a triangles to the opposite sides is called its altitude. A triangle has three altitudes. In these figures, A or P, B, Q and C are the altitudes of the triangles ABC in this figure. Now note, an altitude is the shortest distance from the vertex to its opposite sides. An altitude might be outside the triangle as in the following figures. Here AD is perpendicular to BC and AD is altitude drawn from the vertex A to base BC of triangle ABC. Hope you understood well. Now angle sum property of a triangle. Theorem. Let's prove the angle sum property of a triangle, that the sum of the measure of three angles of a triangle is equal to 180 using the property of a parallel lines. So given a triangle given है हमें M and S. So now next, to prove angle M plus angle N plus angle S is equal to 180 degree. Now constructions. Through the vertex M, draw a line AB parallel to the base NS, like that. Proof. Now NS is parallel to AB and MN is a transversals. So angle AMN is equal to angle MNS. Alternate angles just because of that reason. Similarly, angle BMS is equal to MSNs. Alternate angles. So from the figure we get AMN plus NMS और plus angle BMS हमारे कितने डिग्री के होते हैं? Yes, it creates 180 degree. Why? Just because of AB represent a straight line and the sum of the angles is equals to a straight line. So that is why MNS or angle NMS plus angle MSN 180 degree. So substituting the alternate angles for angle AMN and angle BMS form equals means 1 and 2. So angle M और एंगल N और S ये तीनों हमारे कितने क्रिएट करते हैं 180 डिग्री. So thus it's a proof that the sum of the three angles of a triangle is beta 180 degree. I hope you understood well. So now note, our triangles can't have more than one right angle. Yes, our triangles can't have more than one obtuse angle. We can't have a triangles with all the three angles greater than 60 degree. In a right triangles, the sum of two acute angle is 90 degree. So these are important notes, just do remember. Now solve examples for more clarity. Example number 1 beta. Find the value of x and y in the following diagram. So अब हमें x की वैल्यू निकालनी है और y की वैल्यू भी निकालनी है. So first part, we have ABC plus BCA plus CAB 180 degree. So ABC हमारा x है, BCA 90 और CAB 2x. So ये कितना होना चाहिए 180 डिग्री का होना चाहिए. So it's 180 डिग्री. Now just solve the equations. x की वैल्यू हमारी कितनी आई 30 डिग्री. ओके, आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड वेल, क्योंकि हमने प्रॉपर्टी लगाई ना, हमारी तीनों एंगल्स को मिला के हमारा 180 डिग्री होना चाहिए. सो हमने 180 में से 90 माइनस किया, सो x की वैल्यू हमारी निकली 30. नाउ बी पार्ट. सो बी पार्ट में हम क्या करेंगे, y हमारा कितना है 90 डिग्री. सो हम लिखेंगे y 90 डिग्री. x प्लस y 180 डिग्री. सो y हमारा कितना हो गया 90 वर्टिकली ऑपोजिट्स एंगल्स. सो 2x plus 90 beta 180 just because of angle sum property. After that 2x is equal to 180 minus 90, that means कि x की वैल्यू हमारी कितनी निकल गई, yes 45 डिग्री. सो x हमारा हो गया 45 एंड y की वैल्यू हमारी कितनी निकली 90 डिग्री. होप यू अंडरस्टूड. नाउ सी पार्ट में क्या है, y प्लस 120, ये कितना होना चाहिए हमारा 180 होना चाहिए, जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ लीनियर पेयर. सो अब y की वैल्यू कैसे निकालोगे, 180 में से 120 माइनस कर दोगे तो 60 डिग्री. ओके, नाउ अब आप क्या करोगे, x, y और 50 तीनों को मिला के 180 होना चाहिए. सो नाउ वी जस्ट सॉल्व द इक्वेशंस एंड x की वैल्यू हमारी निकली 70 और y की वैल्यू हमारी पहले निकल गई थी, वो है हमारी 60. आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड. नाउ एग्जाम्पल 2. Find all the three angles of a right angled isosceles triangle. अब here it is given x, x, x. अब हमें क्या करना है, इसके वैल्यू निकालनी है. So let ABC an isosceles triangle such that angle B 90, angle A हमारा इक्वल होना चाहिए angle C, that means x. So by the angle sum property of a triangle, ये क्या होती है हमारी, तीनों एंगल्स हमारे 180 डिग्री के होने चाहिए. नाउ जस्ट पुट द वैल्यू, x और x हमारे 2x प्लस 90 180. सो 2x हमने क्या 180 में से 90 माइनस करोगे, सो x की वैल्यू हमारी निकल जाएगी बेटा 45 डिग्री. सो एंगल A हमारा 45 बन जाएगा, B इज 90 और एंगल C इज आर 45 डिग्री. आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड. नाउ जस्ट सी द एग्जाम्पल नंबर 3 ऑल्सो. इन अ राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल, the two acute angles are in the ratio of 2:3. So find these angles. So first one is, let the two acute angles be 2x, 3x in degrees. Okay. So therefore it's a right angle D. Therefore the third angle is 90 degree. By the angle sum property हमारा क्या बन जाएगा 90 plus 2x plus 3x. इन तीनों को ऐड करने पे हमारा कितना होना चाहिए 180 डिग्री. सो नाउ 2x और 3x 5x, देन 180 में से 90 माइनस करेंगे. सो x की वैल्यू हमारी कितनी निकल गई, यस 18 डिग्री. सो द रिक्वायर्ड एंगल्स 2 into 18, 3 into 18, दैट मीन्स 36 डिग्री एंड 54 डिग्री. आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड वेल. सो नाउ एग्जाम्पल 4. The three angles of a triangle are in the ratio of 1 raised to power 2 and is to 1. So find all the angles of the triangle. Classify the triangles in two different ways. So this is figure. So now let's see solution beta. So let the measure of the angle of the triangle be x, 2x and x. So we know that angles in the ratio 1 is to 2 is to 1. That means x plus 2x plus x हमारे कितने होते हैं? Yes, 180. So x, 2x और x हमारे कितने हो गए? 4x. So now just x की वैल्यू हमारी कितनी निकली बेटा? Yes, 45 degree. So the measure of the angles are 45 degree. 2 into 45, that is 90. So 90 and 45 are the measure of the angle beta. I hope you understood well. So now example 5. In the given figure, calculate the values of angle OBD, angle BOD and angle AOD beta. So this is figure. So now solutions. It is given that angle AOB हमारा कितना है? Yes, 90 degree. And angle ADO, it's 90 degree and OAD, it's 65 degree. And in angle AOD, we get angle AOD plus ADO plus OAD. Yes, it's 180. That means angle sum property of a triangle. So now just put the value AOD 90 plus 65 is equal to, yes, 180 degree. So 180 minus 155 हमारी AOD की वैल्यू आ गई बेटा 25 डिग्री. नाउ इट्स गिवन दैट AOB हमारा कितना है? 90 डिग्री गिवन है. सो AOD प्लस BOD हमारा कितना होना चाहिए? 90 डिग्री. सो जस्ट पुट द AOD वैल्यू दैट इज 25. नाउ जस्ट 90 माइनस 25 हमारे कितने होते हैं? येस, इट्स अ 65 डिग्री. सो इट्स 65. Now in the triangles BOD and BDO, that means 90 and 65. So 180 minus 90 plus 65 हमारे क्या होते हैं? Yes, it's a 25 degree. So I hope you understood well. So this is how we just find out the angle beta. Now move on next one, which is example 6. The given figure has been obtained by using two triangles. Prove that angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D, E और F हमारे कितने होने चाहिए? 360. So this is figure. Now solutions. We know that the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So therefore in triangle ABC, ABC triangle में ABC हमारा कितना है? 180 degree. So now next in triangle DEF, DEF में क्या होगा हमारा? एंगल DEF कितना होना चाहिए? Yes, it's 180. So now adding equals 1 and 2 we get angle A, B, C, D, E and F हमारा कितना हो गया? 180 plus 180, it's 360 degree. I hope you understood well. So now move on exercise 11.1. So here it is given. Filling the blanks. So first one is the angles opposite to equal side of an isosceles triangles are dash. So the angle opposite to equal sides of an isosceles triangles हमारे क्या होते हैं? Yes, it's a equal. So write it equal beta. Second one is each angle of an equilateral triangle's measure. Equilateral triangle का measure कितना होता है हमारा? तो उसका each angle का measure होता है yes 60 degree. So write it 60 degree beta. So I hope you understood well. So these are the other questions, you have to complete it your own. Okay, so now move on next topic, which is exterior angle property of a triangle. So here it is given. First one is theorem. If a side of a triangle is produced, the exterior angle so formed it's equal to the sum of two interior opposites angles. See, this is diagram. And let ABC be a triangle such that its side BC is produced to form ray BX. Then angle ACX is equal to angle 4 is the exterior angle of a triangle ABC at C, and angle 1 and angle 2 are its two interior opposite angles. So beta we have to prove that angle 4 हमारा होना चाहिए is equal to angle 1 and 2 के. So we know that the sum of the angle of a triangle कितना होता है? Yes, it's a 180 degree. So therefore angle 1, 2, 3 हमारा बना 180 degree. Now angle 3 and 4 is 180 degree. So angle 3 and 4 क्या बना रहे हैं हमारे? लीनियर पेयर बना रहे हैं. So that is why from equations 1 and 2 we get angle 1, 2 and 3 हमारे इक्वल होते हैं 3 and 4 के. So angle 1 plus 2 is equal to angle 4. So that is why angle 4 हमारा बराबर किसके हुआ? Yes, it's equal to angle 1 and 2. Hence this is proved beta. I hope you understood. So now move on. Note beta. So an exterior angle and the interior adjacent angles form a linear pair of angles. Okay, and interior opposite angles are also called remote interior angles. I hope you understood. So now beta solve examples. Example number 1. Find the value of x in the following figures. So these are the figures. Now we need to find out the value of x. So solutions, first one is, we know that the exterior of a triangle is equal to HC sum of two opposite interior angles. So here it is given x की वैल्यू हमारी इक्वल है किसके बराबर है? 65 प्लस 45. सो 65 45 हमारे कितने होते हैं? 110. सो x की वैल्यू हमारी निकल गई 110. एंड सेकेंड में हमारा क्या गिवन है? 70 और x. सो 70 प्लस x हमारा कितना होना चाहिए? 70 और x 110. सो 110 में से 70 माइनस करा तो हमारा निकल गया यस x की वैल्यू 30. सेम C5 में हम करेंगे x प्लस 60 कितना होता है हमारा? इट्स 2x. सो x की वैल्यू हमने फाइंड आउट करी बेटा 60 डिग्री. आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड वेल. सो नाउ मूव ऑन एग्जाम्पल 2. Find the lettered angles in the figure if angle S is equal to 4 angle Y के. So now solutions. ये डायग्राम है हमारा. In this diagram x plus 65 is equal to कितने होते हैं? 105. Y exterior angles property of a triangle. So now x की वैल्यू हमारी कितनी निकल गई? 40. In triangle SPQ. SPQ में हमारा एंगल S और Y कितना बनता है? और 105. तीनों को मिला के हमारा 180 होना चाहिए जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ अ ट्रायंगल्स. सो नाउ हमने क्या करा? जस्ट पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस. y की वैल्यू हमारी निकली बेटा 15 डिग्री. आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड दैट क्वेश्चन. सो नाउ मूव ऑन नेक्स्ट वन बेटा विच इज एग्जाम्पल 3. एन एक्सटीरियर एंगल ऑफ अ ट्रायंगल इज 110 लाइक दिस एंड वन ऑफ द इंटीरियर ऑपोजिट एंगल कितना है हमारा? 30. सो नाउ फाइंड द अदर टू एंगल्स ऑफ अ ट्रायंगल्स. ओके, सो लेट्स सी. लेट ABC be a triangle whose side BC is produced to form an exterior angle ACD such that ACD हमारा कितना होना चाहिए? 110 होना चाहिए. लेट ACD जो हमारा ACD है वो क्या है? एंगल B प्लस एंगल A. यस, इन दोनों को मिला के ही हमारा ACD बना. सो ACD में हमने क्या करा? फाइंड जस्ट राइट द वैल्यू ऑफ दैट ACD 110 और एंगल A में 30 डिग्री. नाउ एंगल B का जो हमारा वैल्यू निकल गई 80 डिग्री. सो ABC 180. नाउ पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ 30 80. सो वी जस्ट फाइंड आउट द एंगल C दैट इज 70 डिग्री. So hence the other two angles of the triangles are 80 degree and 70 degree beta. I hope you understood. So now move on example 4. The two interior opposite angles of an exterior angles of a triangles are 60 degree and complement 10 degree. So find the measure of the exterior angle. Okay, so this is diagram. So solutions. Let the measure of the exterior angle be x. Like that. ये हमारा x है. We know that the measure of exterior angles of a triangle is equal to the sum of two opposite interior angle. So that is why x is equal to हमारा होना चाहिए 60 plus 80 that is 140. So measure of the exterior angle हमारा निकला बेटा 140 degree. I hope you understood. Now example 5. In a triangle ABC, the side AB, BC and CA have been produced to E, F and G respectively. Find the sum of the three exterior angles formed. So, in this diagram, just exterior angle CBE, CEB हमारा is equal to है BAC and ACB, okay? And exterior angle ACF में ABC plus BAC और BAG एक्सटीरियर एंगल्स में हमारा ABC प्लस ACB के इक्वल है. नाउ एडिंग वी गेट, अगर हम इन सबको ऐड करेंगे सो 2 हमारा ये कॉमन निकल गया. नाउ ऐड अदर, सो आफ्टर एडिंग आवर आंसर इज बेटा 360 डिग्री. आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड वेल. सो now move on next, which is exercise 11.2. First one is find the value of the x in the following diagram. So हम कैसे करेंगे, इसमें हमें गिवन है 30 डिग्री प्लस 40 डिग्री. सो एज पर रूल्स वी जस्ट ऐड ऑल द नंबर्स. सो 40 और 30 हमारे कितने होते हैं 70. सो x की वैल्यू हमारी निकल गई 70 डिग्री. I hope you understood. So these are the other example. You have to complete it your own. Now beta move on next topic, which is Pythagoras theorem. So a right triangle has a right angle. An important theorem called Pythagoras theorem relating to a right angle is stated as like this. This is a diagram. In a right triangle, the square of the hypotenuse equal the sum of the square of its remaining two sides. In a right triangle ABC, right angled at C, that means AB is क्या है हमारा? Yes, this is hypotenuse, and AC and BC हमारा क्या है? Are other two sides of a triangle. So now we have AB square is equal to BC square plus CA square. That means AB हमारा क्या है? Hypotenuse, BC base and CA हमारा क्या है? Yes, it's a perpendicular. So C square plus is equal to A square plus B square. Therefore, that is why where A is BC and B is equal to CA और जो हमारा C है वो is equal to AB बेटा. So this is the concept of Pythagoras theorem. I hope you understood well. So now note. Hypotenuse is the side which is opposite to the right angle. Right angle के जो opposite sides होती है वो हमारी hypotenuse sides होती है. So from Pythagoras theorem we can derive the following results. Such important results derived from a theorems are called corollaries. So first one is corollaries. one है हमारा, in a right triangles the hypotenuse is the longest sides. जो triangle होता है, जो sides हमारी सबसे long होती है वो हमारी क्या कहलाती है? hypotenuse. Proof. From Pythagoras theorems, in a right triangles with the side A, B and C, where C is the hypotenuse, so we just say that C square is equal to A square plus B square, like that way beta. Okay, so therefore C square is greater than A square and C square is also greater than B squares. So that is why C is greater than A and C is also greater than B beta. I hope you understood. Now corollary 2. Of all line segments that can be drawn to a given line from a point not lying on it, the perpendicular line segment is the shortest. Proof. Let L be the line and O a point not lying on it. Let OA be the perpendicular line, like this. Okay. Perpendicular line segment from O to L and OB any other line segment from O to L. Now triangle OAB is a triangle. So therefore from Pythagoras theorems, OB square is equal to OA square plus OB squares. So OA square is smaller than OB square or OA is smaller than OB. So therefore this is true for all points B other than A on the line L. Now hence proved. Hope you understood. So now beta move on next, which is Pythagoras triplets. Three positive integers A, B, C taken in this order are called Pythagoras triplets. If C square is equal to A square plus B squares. The following are examples of Pythagoras triplets means 3, 4, 5. Suppose since 5 square हमारा equal होना चाहिए किसके 3 square plus 4 squares is equal to 25. Suppose 5, 12, 13. Since 13 square is equal to 5 square plus 12 square is equal to 169. 8, 15 and 17. Since 17 square is equal to 8 square plus 15 square is equal to 289 beta. I hope you understood. So now solve example number 1. The hypotenuse of right triangle is 13 centimeter long. ओके ये हाइपोटेनियस है और ये कितनी है हमारी 13 सेंटीमीटर लॉन्ग है. इफ वन ऑफ द रिमेनिंग टू साइड्स ऑफ अ 5 सेंटीमीटर लेंथ द लेंथ ऑफ द अदर साइड इज, और अगर ये साइड हमारी 5 सेंटीमीटर है तो ये कितनी होगी, जस्ट फाइंड आउट. सॉल्यूशंस. लेट ए बी सी बी अ राइट ट्रायंगल. सो राइट एंगल एट सी, देन ए बी 13 सेंटीमीटर एंड बी सी 5 सेंटीमीटर. बी सी 5 है और हमारा ये कितना है, ए बी कितना है बच्चों 13 सेंटीमीटर. नाउ बाय पाइथागोरस थ्योरम्स वी हैव ए बी स्क्वायर is equal to BC square plus AC squares. Now just put the value and after just put the value, AC हमारा स्क्वायर निकला 144. So 144 हमारा कितना बन जाएगा 12 into 12, that is AC हमारा निकल गया बेटा 12 centimeter. Hence the length of the required sides of the right triangle is 12 centimeter. So option yes, this is proved or correct. Now example 2. A ladder 25 meter long reaches a window of a building 20 meter above the ground. Determine the distance of the foot of the ladder from the building. So, suppose that AB is the ladder. हमारा AB क्या है, ये ladder है. B is the window and CB is the building. Then a right triangle ABC is formed right angle at C. Now we have AB square is equal to AC square plus BC squares. So 25 square और 20 square. So 25 square हमारा हो जाएगा 625 and 20 का square हो जाएगा 400. After solutions AC हमारा निकल गया 15. Hence the foot of the ladder is at the distance of 15 meter from the building beta. I hope you understood. So now move on example 3. If u is equal to 3 और v हमारे हैं 2, then u की 2 minus v की 2 is equal to 5. So now 2uv is equal to 12. So u की 2 plus v की power 2 is equal to 13. Then 5, 12, 13 form a Pythagoras triplet. Okay. B. Let u हमारा कितना है 7. v हमारा इज इक्वल टू है 3. देन u की स्क्वायर माइनस v की स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 40. सो 2uv इज इक्वल टू 42. नाउ u की स्क्वायर प्लस v की स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 58. सो देन 40, 42, 58 फॉर्म अ पाइथागोरस ट्रिपलेट. होप यू अंडरस्टूड. नाउ एग्जाम्पल 4. The Pythagoras of a right triangle is 34 centimeter. Okay. If one of the other side is 30 centimeter long. So find the third sides like this. Pythagoras given है, one side given है. So we know that AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square. AB is given 34. AC is given 30 centimeter. Now after solving the equations हमारा BC कितना निकला, BC निकला हमारा बेटा 16 सेंटीमीटर. Okay, I hope you understood. Now move on. Example 5 also. The lengths of a sides of two triangles are as follows. Check to see if they are right triangle. So let's see how to do this. So here it is given 3.5 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 8 centimeter. So solutions. 8 स्क्वायर हमारे कितने होते हैं 64 होते हैं. 8 को 2 टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे सो 64. 3.5 स्क्वायर प्लस 6 स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 12.25 plus 36. Now just add all both the value 48.25. Since 8 square is not equal to 3.5 square plus 6 square, the triangle is not a right triangle. This is how we just find out or check it. See this B part also. 8.5 square is equal to 72.25. So 4 square plus 7.5 square is equal to 16 plus 56.25. Now after add all the value, so 72.25. Since 8.5 की square is equal to 4 square plus 7.5 square, the triangle is right triangle beta. Okay, so just see example 6 also. The width of a rectangle is 5 centimeter. Okay, and its diagonal is 13 centimeter. Like that, ये diagonal है हमारा और ये हमारा इसकी क्या है width है. What is its perimeter? So perimeter कितना होगा? We know that perimeter is the sum of all sides. Solutions. By Pythagoras theorem, in the right triangle A, D and C, हमने पहले हाफ का निकालना है, ADC का निकालेंगे हम. So AC square is equal to AD square plus CD square. So now AC कितना है 13 है हमारा, AD कितना है 5 है. Now after solving हमारा CD कितना निकला 12 सेंटीमीटर. After that हम क्या करेंगे, just find out the perimeter also. Perimeter का formula we know that 2L plus B. Now put the correct value. L हमारा 12 है, B हमारा 5 है. Now add the numbers and multiply by 2. Answer is beta 34 centimeter is the perimeter. Okay, I hope you understood. Now example 7. A pole 13 meter high stands 12 meter away from a building which is 18 meter height. Find the distance between the top of the pole and the top of the building. Solutions. Let AB be the building and CD be the pole. Okay, AB हमारी building है और CD हमारा क्या है pole है. In this diagram, from C draw perpendicular CE to AB. We have AB 18 है, CD 13 meter and BD is 12 meter. In the right triangle AEC, AB AE is equal to AB minus EB और AB minus CD, that means 18 में से 13 को minus करेंगे, yes 5 meter. Now EC is equal to BD means 12 meter. So AC square is equal to AE square plus EC square. Now put the correct value of that one and after that AC की value हमारे आई 13 meter. So we can say that the distance from the top of the building to the top of the pole is, yes, 13 meter. I hope you understood well. So now move on, exercise 11.3. In the following, find the length of the third side so that the three sides make a right triangles. And angle C हमारा है 90 degree. A हम करेंगे A is equal to 1 centimeter और C हमारा है 2.6 centimeter. So let's start first one. So here it is given AB. AB square हमारे कितने हैं, AC square plus BC square. Okay, so now AB कितना है हमारा 2.6. So just write it 2.6 square AC x square plus BC 1. 2.6 को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे देन हमारा आ जाएगा 6.76 हमारा होना चाहिए एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 1. आफ्टर दैट जस्ट फाइंड आउट द एक्स की वैल्यू. सो एक्स स्क्वायर हमारा बन गया 6.76 माइनस 1. सो नाउ एक्स की पावर 2, 6.76 में से 1 माइनस करेंगे, सो वी गेट 5.76. एंड नाउ एक्स की पावर 2, 5.76 को अगर हम सॉल्व करेंगे, सो 2.4 स्क्वायर इज द आंसर. सो एक्स हमारा कितना आ गया 2.4 सेंटीमीटर बेटा. आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड वेल. Okay, so these are the other questions. You have to complete it your own beta. Okay, so now move on next one, which is triangle inequality property. So considered a triangle ABC as shown in the following figure. It has three sides BC, CA and AB. Let's denote the sides opposite to the vertices ABC by ABC रिस्पेक्टिवली. दैट मीन्स A इज इक्वल टू BC और B हमारा हो जाएगा CA के बराबर एंड C इज इक्वल टू AB. द साइड ऑफ अ ट्रायंगल satisfy an important property as stated in the following. So first one is triangles inequality property. So ये क्या होता है, let's see. The sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. According to this property, in a triangle ABC, we have B plus C is greater than A and C plus A is greater than B and ABC is greater than C beta. I hope you understood. Now solve examples for more clarity. Example number 1. Which of the following can be the possible lengths in centimeters of a triangle? So here it is given three numbers 3, 5 and 3. Now since 3 plus 5 अगर मैं आगे की दो वैल्यू को ऐड करती हूँ तो it's of course greater than third side from 3. And if I just take two values of last, just like 5 plus 3 is again greater than 3. And if I take first and last, which is 3 plus 3 is also greater than third side. So therefore 3, 5, 3 can be the possible length in centimeter of the side of a triangle. जो हमारी दो साइड है वो थर्ड साइड से जो हमारी होती है वो हमेशा बड़ी ही होती है. So this is the property of that one. Same B part बेटा. Okay, इसमें क्या है 4, 3 बट 4, 3 इज दैट टाइम नॉट ग्रेटर देन 8 क्योंकि 4 और 3 7 होते हैं, वो 8 से ग्रेटर नहीं होते हैं. सो देयरफॉर 4, 3, 8 कांट बी द लेंथ इन सेंटीमीटर ऑफ द साइड ऑफ अ ट्रायंगल. ओके, सो नाउ एग्जांपल 2. इन द फिगर P is in the interior of a triangle ABC. As we can see that, show that AP plus PB plus PC is greater than half AB plus BC plus AC. Okay, so now हम क्या करेंगे, सबसे पहले इन ट्रायंगल ABP में देखेंगे AB plus BP is greater than AB, फर्स्ट वन. सेकेंड में APC में, सो APC में AP plus PC is greater than AC, and in third BPC, BP plus PC is greater than BC बेटा. Now adding we get, हमने इनको ऐड करेंगे और ऐड करने पे हम देखेंगे हम जस्ट 2AP plus 2BP plus 2PC is greater than AB plus AC plus BC बेटा. So after just adding all the numbers we find out that 2AB plus BP plus C, PC is greater than other number. I hope you understood well. So now move on next, which is example 3. In the following figures in triangle ABC, AB हमें given है 3 centimeter, like that BC is 4 centimeter और AC is 5 centimeter. Name the smallest and the largest angles of the triangles. सबसे छोटा और सबसे बड़ा हमने बताना है. So now next. So solutions. As the largest angle is always opposite to the longest sides, So angle B is the largest angle. Okay. Similarly, since the smallest angle is opposite to the shortest side, so angle C is the smallest angle. Hope you understood. Now example 4. In the given figure, AM is a medium of triangle ABC. Proof that AB plus BC plus CA is greater than 2AM. Okay, so this is diagram. Now solutions. In triangle AMC we get, AMC में हमने क्या देखा, CA plus MC ग्रेटर देन है हमारे AM से. दिस इज फर्स्ट इक्वेशन. सेकेंड में हमारा क्या है, ABM में AB प्लस MB इज ग्रेटर देन AM ऑल्सो. AM से हमारा ये भी बड़ा है. नाउ अब हम इन दोनों इक्वेशंस को ऐड कर देंगे एंड आफ्टर ऐड वी जस्ट सी दैट AB प्लस BC प्लस CA इज ग्रेटर देन 2AM. सो हैंस इट इज प्रूव्ड. होप यू अंडरस्टूड वेल. Now move on exercise 11.4. 1. Which of the following can be the possible length in centimeters of a triangle? Here it is given 3.9, 3.9 and 3.9. So अब हमें पता है प्रॉपर्टी क्या है. अगर हम किसी भी दो साइड्स को प्लस करते हैं तो उसका जो सम है वो थर्ड साइड से बड़ा ही होना चाहिए. सो दिस इज हाउ वी जस्ट चेक. सो 3.9 प्लस 3.9, अगर मैं इन दोनों को प्लस करूँगी, दिस इज़ 3.9 एंड 3.9 एंड हेयर इट इज़ 3.9. इन दोनों को प्लस करूँगी तो ऑफकोर्स ये थर्ड साइड से इसका प्लस बड़ा आएगा. अगर मैं इन दोनों को ऐड करती हूँ तो ये मेरा थर्ड साइड से इसका सम्स बड़ा होगा. अगर मैं फर्स्ट एंड थर्ड को प्लस करती हूँ तो इन दोनों का सम मेरा इस सम से क्या होगा, ऑफकोर्स बड़ा ही होगा. So this is how we check it. So that we can say that yes, ये हमारा क्या है, पॉसिबल लेंथ हमारा बन सकता है इस ट्रायंगल में. तो इसका आंसर हमारा आ जाएगा ए पार्ट का yes बेटा. Okay, so this is how we check another one. I hope you understood well. So beta, with this we ended the chapter. I hope you understood the whole concepts very nicely. You only need to do practice beta. So do practice and do rest of these exercises by your own.